your PHS News Today for Friday, February 7th. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Anyone wanting to purchase a Drama Club t-shirt needs to get $15 to Miss Wishart, and all Drama Club members need to remember to check their emails. Monday, the Robotics Club will be selling Valentine's Day gifts at lunch. JAG will be selling hugs and kisses and other candies February 10th through the 13th during all 3 lunches. Items will be passed out during 7th period on Friday. And Drama Club will be selling carnations for your Valentines. Orders will be taken during lunch Monday through Thursday. And now to Adin with your weather report.
Checking out the radar today, we may see some more snow later in your day. Today we'll have a high of 37 and a low of 30. Then tomorrow on Saturday we'll have a high of 35 and a low of 25. And ending your weekend on Sunday, we'll see the temperatures rise with a high of 49 and a low of 41. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.